Hi everyone, my name is Greta Shkodra and I was a research assistant for ECCEL for 2 semesters, and for my capstone project I created sensory kits to help children's fine motor development, emotional regulation, and sensory processing. Each sensory kit includes a variety of materials such as natural Play-Doh, scoops for the kinetic sand, wooden tools, tools for the natural Play-Doh, wooden animals, shells for the tactile material, and wooden containers. Children can use the materials in many different ways, such as scooping the kinetic sand, playing with the kinetic sand with their fingers to help with fine motor skills, pressing the shells into the kinetic sand, or sorting the shells by color or texture, stacking the animals or playing with the animals through imaginary play like feeding or cooking, cutting the kinetic sand or natural Play-Doh, rolling the kinetic sand and playing with the Play-Doh, also making sand castles with the wooden objects. You can also use the wooden tools to pinch the kinetic sand or the shells out of the kinetic sand to help with fine motor development. I believe that sensory kits are important in the classroom because they support motor development, problem-solving skills, self-regulation and calming. They also help with reducing anxiety, also gives children a chance to engage in independent and creative play. All materials in the sensory kit are non-toxic, durable, and sustainable, and they are only intended for sensory play and should not be consumed. Adult supervision is recommended. After play, materials can be stored back in the container for future use. I recommend using these during small group activities, transition periods, centers like free play, and when a child is in emotional distress. I hope these sensory kits are a helpful and engaging resource for your classroom.